Introducing the Zoho Flow plugin for WordPress to easily create automations. You can create or transfer the details gathered from the forms to Zoho CRM or to other applications listed in Zoho Flow. So say for example, you are going to connect WP forms to Zoho CRM using Zoho Flow. What you need to do is to create first the flow here in Zoho Flow. Create flow. Let's say we're going to put WP forms to Zoho CRM. Create. Then I click next. Next. So select the applications. We're going to select WP forms, and when there is a form entry made, of course you can create a new connection. So this is where you need the API key from WP forms. So from here, new API key, say test, generate. So you need to copy this one, click OK. So sometimes there is a problem in terms of copying. So you need to copy it. And then here, the API key, and then you're going to paste the URL, which can be found here, and then yeah, you just follow the steps, and you can map the fields to your Zoho CRM. So in this example, you're going to click this and then the general, then copy the address that you're going to put here, site address. So after copying the site address, paste it here, and then authorize. Then choose form. Of course, we need to have the booking form, and then the next app is the Zoho CRM, and choose the action. Let's say you want to create or update a lead, for example. So what you need to do is to select where are these fields going. Let's say the phone should be here, and then the email should be here. So that is how you're going to do it, and then click done, and that's finished.